The clamp does hurt? Here, hold my hand. Here.
You're making a movie.
No, I'm not.
Go
You okay, right?
Don't move. Just breathe in and out slowly.
You okay?
Oh, I'm okay. Oh.
You're okay.
You don't sound
See,
okay.
that's not even bad.
She's laughing. She's not crying.
Aw, what a tough warrior. Catherine. No, you're okay. Stop moving.
Stop making a movie of me.
Oh, you're cute on the video.
It's not a video.
Oh, it's a picture.
Oh.
Here, I'll hold my hand.
Oh.
Ow. My hand. You're okay.
Don't move, it'll make it take longer.
Yeah.
You okay, right?
Yeah. I'm laughing.
Where are you trying to look? You can't see anything.
Is it done?
Almost.
Put the back in it.
Damn.
Stop it, God.
It doesn't hurt anymore, huh? You good?
Feels good, huh? Dang, you look so
Ooh,
good.
that looks so good.
Wow. All those shed tears.
Oh, Catherine.
Ooh, did it hurt that much?
Yeah.
Hurts so bad.
Wait, don't move.
Am I bleeding?
No.
I'm hungry.
That's why you're emotional.
You're gonna thank me for this? We're supposed on this American Studies Home video.
No. Well, I guess if we win $50,000, it's okay.
Now you won't be said that.
We'll crop that out.
Okay.
Okay.
Hey, Pearl.
Oh,
Hmm?
bring the pliers. Just kidding. You look good.
Did it work?
Oh, yes, I know.
Yes and no.
Can you put this in for me? I can't see it.
I can hear it. Like that.
Okay. I can't see the tip.
Cody, stop it. I'm
Okay.
not kidding.
Okay. Okay, I'm done.
I don't believe you.
Okay, forget it then.
3
I
days.
couldn't see it.
You can redo it though, right?
Huh?
It doesn't hurt the second time.
Redo it? Yeah.
Uh-oh.
It doesn't hurt as bad the second time.
Yeah,
No.
it'll be fine.
Did it work?
No, I
I
have to
don't know.
redo it.
He's done.
Yeah.
Thank you. I hate you.
Oh, you got?
She's so emotional.
It hurts so bad.
No, it wasn't working. Not that it wasn't working, it's just that I couldn't see the tip.
Very small.
I'm blind.
Does that make you happy,
That's good to
Catherine?
know.
Turn it off, Cody. I'm not kidding.
Okay.